You just hired an AI animator. They can design characters, animate them, create entire story sequences, and sync dialogue perfectly, all in minutes. That animator is Vidu. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to take a blank page and turn it into a fully consistent animated character, then bring that character to life across multiple scenes. Let's go. Here's the problem with most AI video tools. You generate a character, looks great. You ask it to animate that same character in another scene. Suddenly, they look different. Different face, different clothes, different vibe. Your character just broke. Vidu solves this. The entire platform is built around one thing: consistency. Same character across shots, same emotions across scenes, same identity, no matter how many times you regenerate. And it's not just about making the character look the same, it's about keeping the performance consistent. The micro-expressions, the emotions, the voice, everything stays locked in. This is what separates Vidu from everything else. Workflow 1. Script and character design. Step 1. Start with a script idea. Open a text editor or use ChatGPT. Write out what you want to create. For this example, let's say you want a sci-fi scene. A warrior returns home after a long battle, conflicted about what she's seen. Don't worry about being perfect. Just get the vibe down. Step 2. Generate character concept with GPT. Copy your scene description into ChatGPT. Ask, describe a female warrior character for this scene. Include physical appearance, outfit, age, expression, emotional state, and any distinctive features. GPT gives you a detailed character breakdown. You now have a clear image in your head. Step 3. Go to Vidu. Use Nano Banana, text to image. Log into vidu.com. Click Create or Text to Image. This is where Nano Banana lives. It's Vidu's image generation engine. Paste a prompt like, professional portrait of a battle-worn female warrior, 30s, scarred face, tired, eyes wearing futuristic armor, dim cinematic lighting, emotional expression, photorealistic style. Hit Generate. Vidu produces multiple high-quality character portraits. Step 4. Generate multiple angles. Don't stop at one image. Generate the same character from different angles. Side profile, three-quarter view, back view, close-up of face. You're building a visual reference library. This is crucial for consistency later. Workflow 2. Create character reference and generate variations. Step 1. Upload images to create reference. Still in Vidu, find the Create References feature. Upload all those character images you just generated, minimum 3 to 5 images from different angles. Vidu studies these images. It's learning what makes your character your character. Step 2. Train your character reference. Vidu analyzes facial identity, clothing, lighting preferences, and emotional markers. It builds a profile for this character. Hit Confirm. Your character reference is now locked in. Step 3. Generate outfit and style variations. Now use Reference to Image feature. Tell Vidu, same character, different outfit. She's in casual clothes now. Back home, relaxed posture. Vidu regenerates. Same face, same identity, different outfit. Perfect. Generate a few more variations. Sitting down, standing in a doorway, hand gestures showing emotion. You're not creating different characters. You're creating scenes with the same character. This is the workflow. Step 4. You now have a storyboard. Look at what you've built. Multiple images of the same character in different situations, different emotions, different poses, but the identity is locked. This is your visual storyboard. This is what gets animated next. Workflow 3. Animate and bring character to life. Step 1. Select your storyboard images. Go to Image to Video in Vidu. Select your first storyboard image. The warrior standing in the doorway, looking conflicted. Step 2. Write motion and emotion prompts. In the prompt box, write exactly what you want to happen. The warrior slowly turns her head, eyes welling up. She exhales heavily. Camera pushes in slowly. Lighting stays dim and blue. This is where Vidu shines. It understands emotional direction, not just movement. Step 3. Generate video. Hit generate. Vidu Q3 processes. Within seconds, you have a 4 to 8 second video clip of your character moving, emoting, with dynamic camera work. The facial expressions are subtle. The emotion reads, the movement feels alive. Step 4. Repeat for each scene. Do the same for your next storyboard image. Same character, different action, same emotional consistency, same face, same outfit, just different moment in time. You're building an animated narrative, shot by shot. Character stays locked the entire time. Step 5. Multi-character, same process. If you have a second character, you repeat steps 1-4 but with their reference. Vidu keeps them separate but consistent within themselves. Now you have multiple characters interacting, each with their own visual identity, maintained perfectly. Workflow 4. Audio and final assembly. Step 1. Add dialogue with 11 Labs. Export your video clips. Use 11 Labs, mentioned in the brief, to generate emotionally expressive voice dialogue for your character. Choose a voice that matches your character's identity. Age, tone, accent, everything. Record lines for each scene. 11 Labs generates realistic audio that feels performed, not robotic. Step 2. Sync mouth movement with your dialogue. Here's the advanced part. Vidu's reference to video can sync mouth movements to the audio you just created. Upload your dialogue. Vidu matches lip sync to the words. The character talks. Mouth moves naturally.
Hi, I'm Cassie. I am a graphic designer. Visualizing your thoughts.
This is why the emotional performance hits so hard. Voice and facial expression are locked together. Step 3. Assemble in DaVinci. Resolve or CapCut. Export your animated clips. Drop them into a video editor. Lay your audio tracks underneath. Add transitions between scenes. Maybe add light music or sound effects, also from 11 Labs or your own library. Step 4. You now have a story. What started as a blank page is now a fully animated, character-driven story. Same character throughout. Consistent emotions, consistent identity, consistent dialogue synced perfectly. Your character has a performance. It has personality. It's alive. This took you hours in Vidu. It would have taken weeks with traditional animation. That's the workflow. Script design reference, animate voice final video. Go to vidu.com. Start with one scene, one character. See how fast you can take it from idea to animated story. You're now a character director. Vidu is just your tool.